inside this big old log, and it...
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northwestern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, west central Calvert County in southern Maryland, southeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, eastern Charles County in southern Maryland, until 9 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Golden Beach, or near Howland Point, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, for those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Prince Frederick, Golden Beach, Huntingtown, Hughesville, Pequasco, Benedict, and Eagle Harbor. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Is find the treasure and get back all of Grandpa's cat toys.
Nothing can stop us now!
You know, after a full season and 2 movie specials, you gotta stop saying that, man.
He's so big!
He's so bad.
Hi, Bad Dog Bart. It's me, Scared Hal.
I want those keys and that map. May I suggest we run?
Yes!